Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on the cmBuilder massing tool. Today we'll guide you through creating and editing massing models to represent buildings and structures within your project. You'll learn how to create multi-story massing structures and link individual stories to different milestones. Let's get started. Click on Buildings from the command dock, select Massing, and a side sheet will open on the right. In the viewer, use the sketch tool to draw your desired shape on the map and create a polygon representing your building's shape with at least 3 points. Once satisfied with the sketch profile, click Confirm to save your massing model. A new massing setup side sheet will appear. Set the number of stories and specify the height of each story. Stories will appear dynamically in the viewer as you adjust the settings. The massing height gets updated automatically as you make changes. Choose a color to differentiate your massing from other elements. You can also edit the transparency of your massing from the Select Color window. Once done, click Confirm to save your massing model. A new massing side sheet will appear with a table of stories and additional options on the edge of this menu. Click the pencil icon at the top to rename your massing. To modify story height, double-click the story in the table, enter a new value, and press Enter. The elevation updates automatically when adjusting height, but you can manually edit it too. Click the 3 dots to access additional features. Edit Story lets you go to the individual story settings. We will review these settings in a moment. Each massing includes a reference story, which is the first story above ground. Stories above this are referred to as stories, while those below are called basements. The highest story is known as the roof. To set a story as the reference story, select it, open the 3-dot menu, and choose Make Reference Story. The reference story cannot be deleted unless another story is assigned as the new reference. Next, you can insert new stories directly above or below by selecting Add Above and Add Below respectively, from the 3-dot menu. You can also perform this action using the buttons on the edge of the menu. Lastly, click Delete to remove a story. At the edge of the massing menu, click Move to shift the entire massing along the X, Y, or Z axis. Similarly, click Rotate to rotate the entire massing about the Z axis. Now let's explore the options available in the Story Settings menu. Click the Edit Story button to open the story settings. Click the pencil icon to edit the story name. Check the Disconnect from Timeline box to hide the story from your milestone timeline. This story can still be temporarily shown from the tree as needed. To sequence a story between milestones, make sure Disconnect from Timeline is not on, and define the first and last milestone where the story should be visible. Next, you can enter the story height and elevation in the respective fields. You can also adjust the story height by first selecting the field, and then use the handle in the 3D viewer by clicking and dragging. To change a story's color, simply choose a new color from the color picker. Now, let's take a look at some of the additional options located on the edge of this menu. Click Edit Sketch to modifying the story's profile. Click Properties to view story details such as perimeter, area, and volume. Click Adjust to activate the height handle for manual adjustments. Lastly, click Go to Parent to return to the main massing settings. Now, let's look at the Multi-Edit feature, which allows you to modify multiple stories at once. Hold Ctrl and select stories from the massing table or model tree. You can also lasso select the stories from the site plan viewer. Once selected, simply right-click and choose Edit Massing Element. In the Multi-Edit Story side sheet, you can choose a new color, edit the sketch, and edit the sequencing of multiple stories simultaneously. Once satisfied, click Done to come out of this menu. That wraps up our tutorial on the massing tool. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial video.